Here is Emma on the pool, and I'm going to see the baby birds in the nest. So when I look up here, you can see the baby birds right close to the edge. Whew. It's kind of hot, but so the baby birds are still in the nest. Whew. I need some water. I think I need it. So the baby birds, when I hear, so you can see their nest below their age. I hear the baby birds. So you can see the baby birds are starting to hatch. Wild. So this is where I can't see. When I see over here, that's the bottom of the egg in their hatch. So when I hear the mama bird, tweet, 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 when I hear it. So if I see her, she's in the middle of her eggs right now. She's hatching her eggs, and not for a while when they keep them warm because they don't like hot water. Because when they're moving, they can see the baby birds. When they're hatched, they eat worms. I don't like worms. Ew. So that's what they eat before they start hatching. And the flower's moving. So when they start hatching, the baby birds will start hatching. When the baby bird starts hatching, you can see her when she's moving. She always had to hatch for not a while for their babies, because they could die, because you can't allow to touch them because they're babies. Because they had to allow to hatch for a little while before they go home. Find their other nest to find the trees, and when they stay, and then they could stay.
3, 2, 1.
The nest still in there. I don't want to shake it because the baby bird, the mama bird's okay.
Hi, Jordy.
So here's the baby birds, and I don't see it because all the flowers, I have to get this flower out for the baby birds to be seen. Alright, see you guys, bye.